Are you a starseed lightworker? A starseed lightworker is those who are here on a double mission. So you are here on a personal mission and on a collective mission, making it double mission. For example, my personal mission is to help starseed like you to remember your starseed calling and to awaken your gift so that you remember who you are, why you are here, and what you are meant to fulfill this lifetime. That is my personal mission. And my collective mission is to help to raise the consciousness and the vibration collectively and globally on Earth, hence supporting Mama Gaia in her ascension process. So having this personal and collective mission, making me a starseed light worker who is here to not only fulfill my personal calling, but to bring light to the world, and hence the name starseed light worker. And if you too want to discover your starseed's calling, remember your starseed's gift, awaken your starseed codes, and really, living up to your highest starseed vision and potential, then do check out my latest Starseed Healing Circle where I help you exactly with that. I'm so excited to create this program to help starseed like you in your awakening journey, because I want you guys to remember what I remember and to remember what so many of the participants remember, that feeling of coming home, of remembering your star lineage and origin, and remembering why you are here so that you can unapologetically go out there and share your gifts to the world and shine your light and really be who you truly are and fulfill your calling that way. If you have any questions about the program, feel free to reach out, whether by dropping a comment below or sending me a message. I'll be more than happy to support and answer your questions. And I can't wait to connect more with you in the Starseed Healing Circle. It's Alice here, your Starseed Guide, Healer, and Light Language Activator, and I will connect with you again.